My name is Alokwan, and these are the news that matter the most. Now, Witness C has provided significant testimony regarding Vusmuzi Ket Matlala's claims of bribing high-ranking police officials and politicians. And here are the key points. Now, Matlala allegedly told Witness C that he paid bribes to senior police officials, including the suspended Deputy Police Commissioner Ushatrak Sebiya. Now, Matlala claimed to have given Usibia 2 million for a plot of land and 300,000 for his son's wedding. And also he gave him 20 impalas. Now, another one who benefited from Ovusmozi Ket Matlala is Major General Feroz Khan. Now, Matlala allegedly paid Mr. Khan 500,000 after Khan demanded 2.5 million. And also Major General Richard Shibiri, he also benefited. Umatlala claimed that he has given Ushibiri 80,000 to celebrate his promotion. And also Matlala claimed that he has funded ANC campaigns. Now Matlala allegedly donated 500,000 to support Usenzo Mchunu's ANC presidency campaign, covering flight tickets, accommodation for delegates attending the ANC 113th anniversary celebration. And Umatlala believed that Umchunu and Sbiya would protect him from police investigations in exchange for the bribes, but he felt frustrated and used when the protection didn't materialize. And also, there were cash payments in between, as Umatlala allegedly made a cash payment to Usibiya, including the 2 million for the plot of land and also the 300,000 for his son's wedding. Now, those two payments were made in cash. And other allegations is that witness C also testified about finding firearms unlawfully licensed and staff uniform bearing the logo CAT VIP protection during a police search at Matlala's home. Now, these allegations demonstrate the possible extent of corruption within the top brass of SAPS and Matlala's alleged connection to senior officials. Now, I'm asking myself, Uguti, what implications do these allegations have for the ANC? Now, some people still believe in the ANC, and some people are saying, Uguti, it's only the members of the ANC that should be removed, and the ANC must have new members who can take it forward. Or are you one of those who says, Uguti, ANC is done and dusted? We just need a new political party to govern South Africa. I will also truly appreciate it if you could subscribe to this channel